When people are getting PRP sessions, they commonly ask, when can I see the result? So people start coming after 1 month and saying that my hair is still same. So you have to understand hair has a cycles. So when you're converting from one cycle to another cycle, and the root to stimulate the root to come out and again to see a visible result, it will take at least 4 to 6 months. So maybe after second or third session of your PRP, you will start seeing, if you can see the scalp with the trichoscope or microscope, then you'll able to identify the small new hairs which is coming out. So best results are visible after 4 to 5 months and maybe 6 months sometimes. If you're a smoker, the results are going to be delayed.